Hello class, how are you all? Welcome you back again in our geography lecture. So, have you all done the revision questions which were given in the last lesson? I hope you all were able to answer all the questions. Yes class, did you? Yes, I have given you the questions, short questions, and I have asked you to write the answers. I hope you all have done it. Yes, so we have finished two lessons, the earth and the graticule. Let us use the graticule. Yes, am I right? Okay, now today we are going to see our third lesson, that is comparing a globe and a map, field visits. This is the name of a lesson. What is the name? Comparing a globe and a map, field visit. Now class, we all have learned what is, see the in lesson earth and the graticule. Okay, we all have seen what is the graticule. In the graticule, we have seen how the parallels, meridians are drawn. How many parallels are there? How many meridians are there? What is equator? What are the poles? Then Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere. This everything we have seen in last two lessons. Am I right? And also in the first lesson, we all have learned how to read the map. Do you remember the first lesson? In that the questions were like, where is Taj Mahal situated? In which continent? Do you remember? Yes. So, now see, we have seen what is graticule. Graticules are drawn. How are the graticules drawn? Okay. Now, just tell me, what is the globe? Okay, and what is the map? See here, you can see two images in this on this screen. What is the first one? First one is the globe. Yes, and this is the second one is, this is map, and this is globe. Clear? Yes, do you all know this? Yes. Now we are going to compare the globe and the map. We are going to compare it. Means what is the difference we are going to see. How is globe used? Why is map used? Why is globe used? That everything we are going to see in this lesson. What? Comparing a globe and a map. Getting all of you? Yes. So, what can you see? How is the globe? Yes, globe is spherical in shape. Yes. And how is the map? How is the map here? Yes, it is flat. So what is the difference? On the globe also we can see different continents. On the map also we can see different continents. On the map also we can see the lines, horizontal lines, vertical lines. On the globe also we can see horizontal lines, vertical lines. Then what is the difference between the globe and the map? Okay, so that we will see in our lesson. See here, in short, we will just see what is the difference between a map and the globe. See, map, it is two-dimensional view of world. What is map? Two-dimensional view. Globe is three-dimensional view. Why? We can move the globe, it can move in spherical shape and we can see all the sides of the globe. But in map we cannot see it. Why? Because it is two-dimensional and the globe is three-dimensional, 3D. Yes, I know. I hope you all know the difference between two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Yes. Then in the map, this Distorted views of the world. Distorted views. In the map, we can see the distorted views of the world. Means what? We can see the world map. Okay, if you have to learn any special continent, okay, you can have the map of that continent. If you have to study this specific country, for example, only India, you can get the map of India. If you have to study your state, Maharashtra, you can get the map of Maharashtra. If you have to study your own district, okay, Pune, you can get the map of Pune district also. So that is the difference. What is distorted views of the world? Means small sections of the world. Globe, accurate details of the world. In the globe, we can get the accurate details of the world, only world. On the globe, only we can see the world. We cannot get the globe of only the continents, of only country, or of only district. No, or of only state. No. On the globe, we can see only the world. We can see distance, size, shape, etc. Map, it is very easy to use and very portable. Portable means we can handle the map very easily. In class also, if I ask you to get the map, you can just roll the map and get it into the class. Yes, we can have the, if you have seen the atlas, on the atlas also, there are different sections of the map. Yes, so it is very easy to use and very portable. Globe, it is not easy to use and harder to carry around. Why? It is round, big, it has to be carried in a box. Okay, it has to handle very delicately. It is very delicate. So it's not very as easy to handle. So these are some small difference of the map and globe. Clear all of you? Now see, in your textbook, there are 3 images given. Okay, this is the world map. Can you see this world map? 1. Okay, see, this is A. A is world map. B is India's map, country. Okay, and C is globe. World map, outline map of India, and a globe. Can you see these 3 images, all of you? Okay. Now I'm just asking you some questions. Please try to answer them. Yes? Okay. Come on. First question is, which device is flat? Come on, tell me. Which device is flat? Yes, the world map and the outline map of India. The world map and the outline map of India are flat. Am I right? Yes, the world map and the outline map of India are flat. Clear? Which device is spherical? Globe is spherical. Yes. Which device is spherical? Globe. Can you see? Globe is spherical in shape. Which of these device allows you to see the entire area of Earth at the same time? Come on, tell me what will be the answer of this question. Just think, all of you, and tell me the answer. Come on, fast. I want the answer from you all. Come on. What is the question? Which of these devices allows you to see the entire area of the Earth at the same time? Yes, the answer is map. The map. See, in the globe, if you have to observe the globe, you have to spin the globe. But if I ask you just now to observe all the continents at same time, you can observe them on this map only. Okay, all the 7 continents you can see at one time on the map, not on the globe. And if you have to see on the globe, you have to spin the globe. Clear, all of you? Okay. Then, which device allows you to see only one side of the Earth at the time? Yes, a globe. Yes, only one side of the Earth. The next side is not seen. Only the one side is seen and the another side is not seen of the globe. Which device can be used for studying a particular region in detail? Yes, if you have to study particular region in detail, means for example, if you have to study only the country India in detail, then okay, what will you use? Okay, a map. What? A map. A map can be used for studying a particular region in detail. Which device can be called a model of the earth? Now what will be the answer? Which device can be called a model of the earth? Yes, the answer is globe. A globe can be called a model of the earth. Clear?